Time management is an essential skill to have in 2023. However, it can be hard to decide how to go about it. This video will provide advice on how to make the most of your time while avoiding the common pitfalls of pressure and overworking. When it comes to time management, what's important to know is your goals and what you want to achieve in a certain time frame. Establishing clear expectations and benchmarks helps to ensure that your efforts are not wasted and that you stay on track. You should also remember to place high value on your time and to work smarter, not harder. So to effectively manage your time, consider breaking down larger tasks into smaller ones. This allows you to focus on one subject and one task at a specific time period without overwhelming yourself. Organizing in this way also keeps you on track and helps you to know which tasks need to be completed, as well as what progress you've made. Additionally, try to leave room for moments of rest and relaxation throughout your day. This can help improve your productivity when you return back to your tasks. Try to avoid procrastination when faced with a big project, for it's tempting to put off for another day and another day. However, this will only lead to more pressure in the long run. To overcome procrastination, break down the task into smaller, more manageable tasks, and start by tackling the most urgent ones first. It's also important to practice good self-care when managing your time overall. Be mindful of how much you are working and take regular breaks throughout the day to recharge and refresh your mind. Additionally, make sure you're getting enough sleep at night and eating nutritious meals. This can help you to stay focused throughout the day, allowing you to be more productive and achieve more in less time. Finally, it is important to prioritize quality over quantity when it comes to managing your time in 2023. Instead of trying to do too much at once and rushing through tasks, ensure that each task is completed to the highest standard. This will help you make better use of your time, setting yourself up for success in the long run. I hope these tips have been helpful for you. With the right approach and attitude, I know you can make the most of your time. And remember, it's not about how much time you have, it's about how you manage it. Thanks for listening. Hope this is helpful. From my heart to your heart, to the heart of the universe, may you love yourself, love your day, and love your life.